All right, hey everyone. Today I'm going to be tying a version of an elk hair caddis, sort of like an X caddis. I'm using GSP 50, something strong so you can pull down on the elk hair. Pearl tinsel, that's the main flash part for the body. Cow elk hair for the winging, and Antron yarn for the tail is what I'm using. And so you can do this a lot of versions. You can put dubbing on it for the body and under the flash or in lieu of the flash. You can also, put hackle, of course, down the body. For this version, I don't want the hackle. I want just kind of the tail to show and the shine on the thorax to show through. So I'm going to leave that open and then do the winging up top. So it's kind of off the body. So when you're doing your thread, leave a little space at the top. That's where you're going to tie in your elk hair. And so I'm just putting my thread down here, and I actually like to put the thread down first before the winging. It kind of gets the winging, or the tail, the thread down before the tail, because it gets the tail off the body of the hook a little bit. I feel like it just kind of floats nicer and looks better. But you can put it on the hook shank first, of course, and then do your thread. But I put a little on there, as you can see. All right, so get that in place. Trim off the excess. I'm going to add just a little more taper to this. And then we tie in our flash. Just do a couple loose wraps, and then I try to pull it back so I don't have to trim the end. And once that's in place, then if you have the rotating feature on your vise, use it. Otherwise, wrap it around. And yeah, we're just trying to do kind of touching turns. And get that whole body covered up with the flash. Once that's all the way at the end, keep tension on it. It wants to unravel if you don't hold on to the flash. So. All right, and then elk hair. So I have my hair stacker there. It's a little tricky to work with. When you cut it, you need to clear out all the fibers on the bottom. So I already did that off camera. But figure out your length. I like it just right past, right at the hook bend for this one. And then usually I cut the head, trim it before I do the step of tightening it. On this one, I'm tightening it, pulling it up, and then I grab a couple hairs at a time and then re-wrap it down behind the eyelet. This is the other way that I like to do it, but I actually prefer cutting it first. It seems quicker and just sort of less dealing with random things. All right, so once we get that tied up, do a whip finish or half hitch at the end, and that's about it. There's your X Caddis. Thanks.